Hello everyone, this is Fiona from QSTECH. Are you looking for a LED solution for your meeting room, for your school meeting hall, or home theater? Here you can see this is our LED all-in-one COB Pure. It has the ultra slim design with its depth only 31 mm, and we have the boldness bezel, which expand its screen to body ratio to 98%. As for us, the concept of the LED displays, we want to expand the performance of the LED screens. So we reduce all the trims. We want to make it as simple as easy use as a TV. Besides the best performance, we also have the strong software. We can use our software, which named is LED Config, to use the wireless connection. Together, you can control our LED screen during your mobile phones, which can adjust its brightness, contrast ratio. And also, we have inserted the Android 13 system, which means that it will apply for you a lot of apps for you to use. We have the USB input and HDMI input and output. And also, we have the Type-C ports. So if you have many devices, you can connect them together with our LED screen. So the last is about the installation methods. We use our standby structure to install our LED all-in-one machine, but also we can do the wall mounting and also hanging. If you have many creative designs for your LED screen, we can also support all your installation methods. And if you have a lot of meeting rooms with this structure, you can just move the LED screen into different places. And also for our LED screens, when we ship our products to you, we will ship in columns, which means that here you can see this is our 5x5 LED screen. So we will use 5 in 1 column. So when you receive our cargoes, you can just connect them left and right together. And the 1 unit of all-in-one LED screen will only cost like 1 hour for you to install the whole screen, which really reduces your labor and time cost. So if you have your business opportunities, please contact us.